Securikey Key Vault cabinets fitted with the high security REVO A electronic combination lock offer up to 1 million possible combinations. Features include 9 user codes, time delay, wrong try penalty and low battery warning. All Key Vault cabinets come supplied with colour-coded, fully adjustable hook bars and key tabs, allowing for unique customisation. Securikey's ingenious key tab design ensures that the key number always faces to the front. A controlling index card is included in all models for instant key identification. However, this control card is removable at night for secure storage. Securikey offer this cabinet with 30 hooks all the way through to a cabinet which will hold up to 600 keys, making it ideal for preventing lost or misplaced keys. The Securikey Key Vault offers improved security over our system cabinet range with its 3mm solid steel fabricated construction. The Key Vault door and frame are reinforced to prevent physical attack. All Securikey Key Vault key cabinets come in a light grey durable finish, making them ideal for any home, office or industrial application.